Hello, everybody does their video on these things, so here's mine. We have the black coated titanium or whatever ice stunt slash cut muffler for the 2018 Honda Grom. There's the old clunker, 4 bolts, actually 5 bolts, 2 on the manifold, 2 under the frame and 1 in the back. So 2 on the manifold, nothing all the way through up until here in the back, 2 springs to hold it together. It literally took me about 10 minutes to change this. I wiped it down with alcohol to get all the oil and grease off. So now we'll give you the thing that everybody wants to know, the sound. It's a lot louder than the original with baffles in. I think it sounds really good, quite honestly. I was a little scared and skeptical, but it looks really nice, sounds really nice. For $100, good purchase.